Let's make healthy chocolate soft serve ice cream with California Gold Nutrition. This is the easiest 5-minute dessert that you have to try. I used California Gold organic cacao powder and chia seeds to add nutrients, along with collagen up that is marine sourced and contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to support healthy hair, skin, and nails. All of these products have no gluten, GMOs, and soy. Simply blend these ingredients with a few others to create a delicious and nutritious dessert. This combination is so good you will not want to stop eating it.
One of my favorite things to make during this time of year are homemade popsicles. In a blender, add in fresh strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries. I'm adding in juice from 1/2 of a lemon and California Gold Nutrition Hydration Up and mixed berry for a boost of electrolytes. Blend this mixture for about 60 seconds until smooth and creamy. Pour into popsicle molds and freeze overnight. These mixed berry popsicles are high in antioxidants and electrolytes, making them the perfect summer treat. Save this recipe and let me know if you give it a try.